If your grandparents trust gold and your younger siblings trust crypto, who is the real investor? Are they both just gambling with shiny things in different ways? For thousands of years, gold has been the ultimate symbol of wealth and pride in families. It's physical and it feels great when you adorn it. And it also feels very secure. Crypto? Barely 15 years old and born out of the 2008 financial crisis. It runs on blockchains, no shine, no physical form. Yet, it promises freedom, decentralization, and explosive growth. Gold is like your grandparents, steady, wise, boring, but always there when crisis hits. On the other hand, crypto is like a teenager, exciting, rebellious, and sometimes brilliant and sometimes disastrous. One saves you when everything collapses, the other tempts you with life-changing growth and equally life-changing crashes. So in 2008, when markets fell, gold became a safe haven. In 2020 COVID panic, once again, it was gold that investors rushed to. On the other hand, crypto had given investors overnight wealth. Bitcoin turned a few dollars into millions, but the same Bitcoin has also fallen 70 to 80% in a single year. If you choose only one side, you are either too safe and too slow or too reckless and exposed. Let's just imagine your portfolio as a boat. Gold is the anchor. It keeps you steady in the storm, whereas crypto is the sail. It gives you speed and direction. Without an anchor, your boat topples. Without a sail, your boat never moves. The secret isn't choosing one. It's knowing how to balance both. Most people ask which is better, gold or crypto. That's the wrong question. The right question is how much of each do I need in my portfolio to protect my wealth and still grow it? So stop fighting with gold versus crypto debate. The future belongs to those who balance security with growth. And if you want proper guidance on how to build that proper balance in your portfolio, kindly contact Abhishek M Financial Services today. If you have any further queries or something to add to what I just said, kindly drop a comment.